Hadien kejing syakset Phatok mentala lai Bnai tam halo kejing keno ba uladon keti hakaban penya yakakam auria bat ban bu ikitiar pen bethe haka farmhouse satura hakasi balang jong katayo ubernat and Marak ubalong unoyalam jong ka BJP bat UMDC katura hakasi balang jong katayo ulalai no na Phatok hadien ba ulayo Jamin.
Marak! 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 Marak!
Haba uniu nong yalam ke BJP Meghalaya ulalai na Phatok dakispa angut kinong kersian baki pat ba kilami ban pedang songbai ubana bat kilayak pat ba bani oni u haduk bandapoi haka yengsa ubernat Marak ulai kubrai pat ba kiblami ban pedang songbai u bat ekino yalam jongka seng BJP ubernat ulaong baka sarkar jala hapok ke jinghalam ke seng National People's Party NPP kala persyang ban pengat BA u bat ban sat u hapok Phatok ndrei kaan kala le ka badan kam bat menta ulalai na Phatok ulaong baka jing syakem jong u kadai ka bom don nongrem ka baklem ki sakhi satar ndrei kadai tang ka buat sianti san partai namar kum unong yalam ula pau nambha bat kane kala penting kala yo konrad ke sangma ba ula bandrem haki election MLA arhajar arphaulai na South Tura constituency ubernat ulaong baka jing syakem jong u klem nongrem kan long penban ke jing mentoy u haki election banwan bat kipat ba ki bakwa ke jing kala ken penlem ya ka sarkar ke balayalam da ke NPP bat ka thong ke ba khmat jong ke BJP ka dai banrat dengkhong ya ki kam bam sam ha ka jela kumban chupen kan mau ki pulit hau naitung mentakasnam kilalai khenra ya ka farmhouse jong ubernat bat kila kem ya u bat pengat haki kendon an ba udan kti hakaban penya ya ka ktem auria bat kila yo kurup ru ya kitiar pen bethai na ka farmhouse
somoina cha sakantin being achum maina Jauh bos tong aha, yang nanang jacum, ndiba jauh aha, ikon okobang ikon racaka. Degi ya, angni custody dunga gamek, okobang kia aha, mungsam bati achika soni dengsanganina, achika soni duanina, nabi aha, aro dalan senek nama ninga, paket panan cetelaya.
Nakaliang Presiden jong ke BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Mauri ulaong ba ubernat uday unoyalam keseng uba don ye kejing temu ban aireng ye ke election MLA na Tura bat kan amdan kanu kejing keta ye ubernat namar ba ulayo Jamin bat kane kapen isai kedar ba simladan ye kesabut ni kisaki halor ki kendon ki balapen ngat persya ye u uba Mauri ulaong ke BJP ka don ye ke jing scam jingmut bakan thawe ka sarkar banwan kamtam habaki pa ba ke jala ki kwa ye ke jingkala bat dei tang ke BJP ke bala ban pun urlong yakani Presiden ke BJP ulaya thuru bahaka tayo benengkong jong uno pra en pen Bnai ke kerteng jong ki kertong ki banya aireng na kaseng BJP ya ke election MLA arhajar arphaulai bat ke BJP kan penyang lut iki kertong habaro hendreu pautali ki constituency jong ke jela ulaya thuru bahau no pra laingut ki MLA ki bamenta ken sawan ban penyaso no bat ke BJP.
We want to contest all the 60 seats according to the direction from the central office. Till today, we have completed the formation of the Mandal committee in 55 constituency. Only 5 constituency left, which we are on the way to form, to complete the formation. And we are looking forward, and we have the good candidate in all the constituency. As one of the aspirant candidate, our spokesperson, and state executive member M. Kharkrang, and we have candidate in some of the mandal, 2-3 aspirant candidate. Some mandal we are having 2 candidate. Depend on the members of the party, the Karyakarta, those who are eligible, they project themselves as aspirant candidate. Now, as national party, we cannot declare that they are official candidate. They are aspirant now. Even me also as the state president, I am the aspirant candidate from the 18 West constituency. When the the condition is declared that final discretion will come from the Delhi, nothing from the state. Everything will be decided from Delhi. And the very important point is here that you see BJP, it is a national party, and we are in line with all the they have decided from the central office. We have the survey report in all the constituency mandal, and after the survey report, that also not only one survey report, now already second survey report is on the way, and we are in line with the IB report. So after collecting all this information, who will be the winning candidate, will be allotting the ticket to them. We have in North Shillong 2 aspirant candidates. One is our spokesperson and state member, Ba M. Harkrang, and the other aspirant candidate we have Michael Karsentio. So from the party, as I have stated just now, we cannot stop anyone who have joined the party and deny them that you cannot project yourself as the candidate. That is the direction from the office, from central office. We may have multiple aspirant candidates, but I'm very confident the party will issue the ticket to the winning candidate, where we have winnability, more chance of winnability. And again, it's in line with the survey report, with the IB report. Then after that, they will take a call and they will sit in the Central Parliamentary Committee and they will decide.